All right, WMC, this is a beauty. This is the winner or the video to find the winner of my Christian Yelich cool base jersey. So we'll check the time, January 9th at 8:37 p.m. Going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have January 9th at 8:37 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Scott. Spot 14 is your winner. So, Scott, please get with me to collect your Yelich. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 9th, 8:38 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.